Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use reports in Smartsheet. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the need to monitor data across several sheets in Smartsheet, or if you're looking for a smarter way to access the information you need without sifting through endless spreadsheets, then this guide is tailored for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to create powerful, customized reports in Smartsheet, enabling you to work more efficiently and effectively. So, let's dive right in. To get started, navigate to the Browse section in your Smartsheet workspace. Consider this your central hub for locating and organizing your sheets, templates, and of course, reports. Once you're ready to craft a new report, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create button. This button is your gateway to constructing almost anything in Smartsheet, and it's the first critical step in report creation. Now, here's a crucial part that's easy to miss, but makes a world of difference. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu that appears and click on Report. At this point, Smartsheet will present you with two options, the Row Report and the Sheet Summary Report. If you're unsure about these options, let me clarify. A row report is designed to pull in rows from one or multiple sheets based on the conditions you establish. It's ideal for obtaining a broad view across different projects or teams. On the other hand, Sheet Summary Reports focus on summary fields, making them perfect for compiling high-level metrics. For today's demonstration, let's select the Row Report. This will show you exactly how to integrate data from varied sources and make sense of it all. Once you've initiated the Row Report setup, the next step is to choose your source sheets. Think of this as instructing Smartsheet on where you want to extract data from. Here's where the true power of Smartsheet shines. For example, if you manage multiple department reports, such as sales, marketing, and HR, you can select as many source sheets as you need. Smartsheet will then amalgamate all those details into a single dynamic report. This not only saves you the trouble of toggling between sheets, but also ensures you always have an up-to-date overview without the need for manual copying and pasting. Once you've chosen your source sheets, click Next. This will allow you to select the columns you'd like to include in your report. You might want to see details like task name, owner, status, and due date. Choose whichever columns are most important to you or your team. Remember, it's not about pulling in every piece of data, just what is truly useful. At this stage, you can also set up filter criteria. Think of this as instructing Smartsheet to only display rows where, for example, the status is in progress, or you might only want to see items due within the current week. Simply select the field you wish to filter by, and then specify the value. Filters enable you to focus precisely on what's relevant, so your report isn't cluttered with outdated or irrelevant data. For enhanced clarity, you can add grouping to your report. Perhaps you want your report arranged so all tasks are grouped by department or by the assigned owner. Just choose the appropriate field under Group, and Smartsheet will organize your rows accordingly. Should you want your data in a specific order, you can easily sort it by any column, either ascending or descending. Sometimes a little organization can significantly enhance how quickly you identify trends or issues. A particularly useful feature here is summarization. With functions like sum or count, you can automatically calculate totals or see how many tasks meet certain criteria. It's akin to having built-in analytics directly in your report. Lastly, before concluding, double-check your sort options. Ensure your key columns are arranged sensibly for how you intend to utilize the report. And there you have it. You've successfully constructed a flexible, time-saving Smartsheet report. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to customize everything perfectly. Reporting is all about making your information work for you. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to use reports in Smartsheet. If you want more videos like how to use reports in Smartsheet, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.